Hello everyone, welcome back to Unbox Grid. Today we will be looking at how to clear cookies and cache for the Safari browser on an iPad. So to get started, let's search for the settings icon or directly click on settings as I have it already on my screen, and here go on the left menu, go to the apps section, which is at the very bottom, and this is because this is upgraded to iOS 18. That's the reason you see this apps icon, or else you will be able to search Safari on the left top corner or the right top corner automatically by typing in Safari. As you can see, I'll select that icon now, and now I am in the menu of Safari. Now I need to scroll at the very bottom, and here you should find an option which is clear history and website data. So this is how, if you click it, you will get the option for the last hour or today, and depending on how much you want to clean or clear, and then you can select it and click on clear history and it should be cleared. That's it. If you can see now, the clear history and website data option is now grayed out, which means that there is nothing to be cleared and everything is as good as new. So that's it guys, thank you for watching.